Students. Now last lecture you have to study the different types of the pollution. Let us start. Today I am discuss with the last one part of the chapter, that is solid waste management. Now what is solid waste management? The solid waste consists of household waste, commercial waste, institutional waste, construction, sanitation, then e-waste and the industrial waste. Now, the term solid waste means the materials such as household garbage, food waste and the construction waste. Then the solid waste are also waste that are not liquid or gaseous, and the solid waste are all the discarded solid materials from municipal, industrial and the agriculture activities. Now, these solid waste elements of solid waste management having distributed in the 5 different groups, in that generation, storage, collection, transportation and the transfer, treatment and the disposal. Now, the types of solid waste, there are 2 different types of the solid waste, biodegradable waste and the non-biodegradable waste. Let us start the first one, biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste is the type of waste typically originating from plants or animal sources which are degraded by other living organisms. Biodegradable waste is commonly found in municipal solid waste as green waste, food waste, paper waste and the garden waste. Other biodegradable waste include sewage, sludge, etc. Second one, non-biodegradable waste. The waste which do not decompose naturally in the environment causes pollution and are also harmful to the living beings and environment are called the non-biodegradable waste. For example, plastic, rubber, glass, metal, thermocol and the e-waste. Now, the solid waste is further classified as 2 different ways, wet waste and the dry waste. Now, wet waste is the biodegradable waste which includes cooked and uncooked food, fruit, vegetable peels, garden waste and the other originally decomposable waste. It is used to make compost and the biogas. Now, dry waste is items like aluminium foil, tetra packs, glass, paper, plastic, metals come under the dry waste category. It is mostly used for the recycling. Now, let us start the sources of solid waste management. There are the number of sources under the municipal solid waste like that residential, commercial, institutional, construction, municipal services, treatment plant sites, industrial and the agriculture. Now, waste is divided into the 3 different ways, liquid, solid and the gaseous. But the solid waste again divided into municipal solid waste, plastic waste, biomedical waste, hazardous waste and the e-waste. Let us start one by one the major sources of solid waste. First, domestic waste. The waste from home include organic matter like vegetable peel, spoiled food, then the glass products, packaging material like cardboard, plastic bags, foam, electronic waste and the furniture. Second, agriculture waste, in that the crop residue, waste from processing of the crops and excreta of the animals. Third one is the commercial waste. This consists of the packaging material, discarded office equipments, furniture and the e-waste is included in a commercial waste. Then the fourth one is biomedical waste. It comes from the clinic, pathology lab and the hospitals. It mainly consists of infectious waste, sharp like needles, knives, dressings, body parts and the expired medicines, etc. The fifth one is e-waste, in that the e-waste is generated from used electronic devices and household appliances. E-waste has been categorized into the 3 main categories wise: large household appliances, IT, telecom and the consumer equipments, refrigerators and the washing machines represents large household appliances. The personal computer, monitor and the laptop represents IT and telecom, while television, mobile phones represents consumer equipments. The sixth one is industrial waste. In that, it is produced by industrial activities. It includes material rendered useless during the manufacturing processes. Now, these are the different major sources of the solid waste management. Now, the solid waste management is by using the 4R process, that is the main principle of the solid waste management. The 4R means reduce, reuse, recycle and the recover. Now, let us start the solid waste, how to manage the solid waste management. Okay, now in this process, the solid waste management has the following components: identification of waste, then the collection, segregation and the storage of the waste, then transportation of the waste, treatment of the waste, then the energy recovery of the waste and disposal of the waste. This is the main points or the main important points of the solid